Here you go. There's a bunch of stuff they've written.
Nice picture.
And कौन सा?
What?
ये? Okay. I'm sure everything praising me, complimenting me. But no, so sweet, guys. You
So much of
guys really go through a lot of effort and a lot of hard work, and I have a box full of all of this stuff stored, and I just like, I mean, I just look at it and I'm like, look at the hard work these people have put into it. So, thank you, guys. Thank you. I love it. I always do, and I promise you that I will. What? Oh, okay.
I like the hand.
I promise you I will read all of this. It's a promise.
Okay, then that's it. That's it.
Kora Kagaz. This is Kora?
Yeah.
For your milky hands. My hands are no longer milky. I've got tan and my skin is coming out and I'm black. Do wear it. Of course I'll wear it. Wow, how pretty.
Nice.
So
it is.
sweet. It's very pretty. And of course I'll wear it. You will see me wear this very soon. बहुत जल्द आपके टीवी स्क्रीन पे.
I told you, no, she'll wear everything together.
1 second, something is written. Bold scarf for our bold girl. I'm not bold. I'm also beautiful. Ooh, very nice. I love it. I love it.
Okay.
See,
एक
I
तो अभी
already
पहन लिया
love.
ये भी पहन लिया
I just love it.
ये भी पहन लिया
Then I'm.
पहन ले और मैं वो भी पहनाया था देखो हार्ट
DAPP.
ब्रेसलेट
Okay, warm wishes on your birthday. May this special birthday bring you a cheer and brighten your. This is a very sweet thing. See, here you go. It says, "For my hero." This is for Ashish. I'm so sorry. मैं सोची थी मैं हीरो कब बन गई. Okay, so this you will deliver to Ashish. This will go to Ashish. They will give it to him. I'm guessing this is for heroine. Sending you loving birthday wishes. Oh, I love these. Oh.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सनाया
Okay, look at this. Read it, baby, because I can't read it. So, what does this say?
Believe in God, just believe you are the star of our hearts.
Oh, so sweet.
Yours 3, 2, 1.
32s are just smile.
Just smile our
Lights.
lights. This is just the
Start of your achievement.
just okay achieve.
Oh, really? This is just the start? I thought I was done.
Stay with us, just stay with us
Forever.
forever.
I will. Forever and never. You're in my heart. I don't know what the song is, but something like that. Thank you so much. It's a very sweet card. And your very sweet gifts are already on me, as you can see. Birthdays are a celebration of good times. Good times. Ooh, okay, there's a lot written here, which I cannot read the whole thing. So, but who is this from? Let me write. With lots of love, Rukma, Rija, Adima, Fozia, Sadia, Asma, I guess. Okay, so I will read your card, I promise you. I cannot read the whole thing out, but I'm sure there's some cute, very nice, sweet things to say about me. And a beautiful birthday wish with lots of blessings. So thank you so much. Birthday wishes for your friend with fond feelings, cheer, and all the love that you're so deserving. Okay. Dear Sana, I'm so sorry I couldn't make something more special. You don't have to be sorry. This is special enough. For you, I'm not much of a creature person. Hope you like the card and sending you some postcards from my country, Sri Lanka. Oh wow. Okay, see, like I said, I want to travel the world and I definitely do want to go to Sri Lanka. I almost made a trip there and it got cancelled. So please do visit Sri Lanka someday. I will. I definitely will. I've heard wonderful things about that place. So Sri Lanka, yes. Thank you. And this is a very long letter which I cannot sit and read right now. But I will. Okay, this is sending all the way from Colombo, Sri Lanka, Ruvanti Rodrigo. And there are a bunch of other messages here from some people. So I'm just going to take their names and the little cute messages put together over here from everyone. So that's Anum from UK, Asma from UK, Afsha from Bahrain, Sarita from the Caribbean, Momita from India, Mehzabeen from Australia, Anu from UK, Indy from UK, and Kiran from UK. I'm sure you'll have a lot of birthday wishes and nice things to say about me. Thank you so much. I promise you I will read all these messages in my free time. I can't read this whole thing, but from your fans on India forums, how sweet. Birthday messages for Sanaya Irani. Okay, there are a lot of birthday messages for me from everyone on India forums, and I'm gonna read it. Man, this is like reading a book. See, that's why I don't read books, because I have these things to read. In my free time, I sit and read this. So, I will read all your messages, guys. Thank you so much, all of you all. I'll read it. This is from Dipali. Dipali Diaz. Okay. So it's a little long message, but I will read it. And I've kind of got a gist of who you all are. She's told me. So I'm going to read the messages. Thank you so much for this. Foldable handbag hook. Oh, how cool is this? Check this out. This is what it does.
Oh, nice.
This is so good. I always put my handbag on the floor. Like, I mean, good thing I don't have like awesome handbags, but so how do you open this? Oh my god. Why are you all doing this? Please don't do this. It's a perfume. So sweet.
Floral.
Thank you. Thank you. By Gucci. Wow. I love the Gucci Envy Me, so I'm sure this is yummy too. This I will definitely use. I love perfume, so this. Oh wow. Oh nice. Nice.
Nice? Yeah.
I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. But really, guys, not expensive gifts like this. Please, just sweet wishes and all the best. That's enough for me. Thank you. Thank you so much. I need to still figure out this handbag hook. It's a really cool gift. Oh, so sweet. I actually look nice, sometimes. See? I like myself here. So sweet. So they've given their
If you put it on magnet.
so I can see all you guys. This is so sweet. Look at this. This is Seema, UK. All from India forums. This is Dipali from India. This is Ashwina from India. This is Sunara from Sri Lanka. And this is Melik from France. Man, somebody is in France too. This is so cute. So I can see all you guys. I love this. I love that I can see who you all are. And okay. So thank you so much. It's nice to see your faces. And that's why I had said that I wanted that CD, because I get to see who you guys are. It's so nice to look at you all when you all are wishing me. So thank you. See. Thank you. Oh yes, I have got the CD too, and I will watch the CD. Unfortunately, I cannot watch it here because I just realized that the laptop Mohit has does not have a CD. What is it called? Drive.
It's an Apple laptop. It doesn't have.
Okay, now don't show off the Apple.
No, I'm not showing because I'm just saying Apple doesn't make it.
My Saidi Ghatia laptop, I will put the CD into that and watch it. So unfortunately, I cannot watch it here, but I will watch it. I'm super excited to watch it. Thank you. A small gift. This is not small. This is not small. A small gift as a token of your love and our love and appreciation for you. The frame is the gift. The picture inside is just to show you the faces with the names. Please replace it. Oh, so I think I can see your faces. Okay. We wish you happy birthday. This is a card. Have a wonderful birthday and an even more awesome year ahead. We hope to see you back on TV screens in the near future with another awesome performance. Love you as Gunjan, as Khushi, Chanchan, Paro, Myra. Love you most of all as Sanaya. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, so this is Seema Jayalu, Ashwina Dipali, Sunara Malik. Okay, so these are the same people who Malik was there also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so sweet.
Oh, nice.
Oh, okay. So it's the same one that they sent me there. It's the same guys, the same people. All of you all here again. Thank you so much. I love the photo frame, and maybe I won't replace the pictures. Thank you so much. This is really sweet. Thank you. So thank you guys for all your wishes, all the sweet things that y'all have had to say to me, for making my birthday so special. Even though now it's over, I feel like I'm celebrating my birthday again. Thank you so much for all the lovely words, the lovely gifts, the lovely everything. Fuzzy Fuzzy, I've seen your video. Very, very sweet of you celebrating my birthday in Disneyland. So sweet of you guys. You guys always think of me wherever you go. So it's great. Thank you so much, everyone. I love you guys. Thank you. Hi, this is Sanaya Rani. Keep watching India Forums and do subscribe to What's Up TV.